Hi everyone, I'm Erkan with Denver RC Eagles. I was working on a project recently actually. I shared the information on GroupWorks app. It is called ezFPV2GO. So this little gadget in my hand I'm holding. So basically this has a built-in video transmitter and a camera and a battery, including a clover-leaf antenna for omnidirectional view, and a balance port on a 2S battery to plug it in, and it's going to be transmitting. So I designed this, and it has an industrial grade heat shrink over it. So how it works is when you energize, and there's a Velcro on the airplane and at the bottom of the module that goes airborne. So I just wanted to demonstrate the operation. So you can see from here the Velcro, and I'm positioning. So now as soon as I plug the connector, it will be transmitting what the airplane is seeing. So basically it feels like you are flying a manned airplane. How that magic happens is I'm gonna now show you guys my goggles. So this is a Fast Shark HDO goggles, and I'm basically plug my antennas out here, omnidirectional or directional antennas, and the goggles has microchip inside, so it's recording as soon as I plug the power, and it starts recording. And when I power the transmitter the same way, so now I have pretty good clear view. All I do is I basically hold the airplane in my hand, or I can have someone to launch it for me. It flies, and once it's flying, I basically bring the goggles down, and I can able to control the airplane in an FPV first-person view commands, and as well as I have the best clear view from the cockpit view. So the advantage of it, this might be a gas airplane. Currently it's an electric airplane, so if it was a gas airplane, I can actually do the same concept, just put a Velcro. Or you can have alternative areas, like basically it can be here, it can be either on the wing, or you can put it on the back. You can actually attach even like this. So whatever you wanted to see, and it's possible to put it under the wing as well, like this. So the image can be rotated. This is running on 5.8 gigahertz, so I can able to change the frequency. There's a little adjustment out here if I need to change. That means that multiple flyers can chase each other, and so that module is portable. You can move from airplane to airplane. One common problem with the FPV, we always have kind of static build and stays with the airplane, but in this concept you can move portably from one model to another one. The other alternative is basically not limited to the car to the airplanes. You can put on an RC car or even an RC boat. You can actually have the same FPV, so there's no wires between, and it's that simple. And I did all the calibration, as well as the fine-tuned and firmware updates. So it's basically a plug and play, purely plug and play. It's a very high quality image, and this is very good clear broadcast. So you pretty much have a very maybe 3 to 5 times more range than your standard radio. So you never run out of video range, but you may run out of your control range, which you're not supposed to go too far as well. Pretty much the distances that we do line of sight, and you're gonna need a visual observer to perform that. It will be pretty much applicable and workable. So it's on the unlicensed 5.8 gigahertz. So if you have an existing goggle or even a small receiver that you can plug it to your TV monitor or display, or even your laptop, it should be able to capture the image. So you can move. Basically, my Fat Shark goggle has a micro SD card inside, so I can move this and plug it to my computer. The entire flight is recorded while I'm flying. So we're gonna do a test flight, and one more information maybe I can let you know, on the screen, you guys don't see on the goggle, but when I put on the video, it will appear. I have a timer, so the timer actually shows my flight time, and I also have a battery voltage sensor inside that shows me how much voltage left in that built-in battery. So this is a 2S battery, 2-cell battery inside. So literally you can get probably 3 to 5 flights safely done, and then before you fully need to charge. So there's one more component I wanted to show, and this one is basically you can able to. It's a little USB port out here that basically you can plug it to your car charger, and you can able to charge on the go. So it's still the same concept. There's a balance port, and that's what it takes to charge. And usually in 10 minutes you should be again back in the air. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the product, and the portable is called ezFPV2GO, and I will give more information about the price, and you will able to custom order through me, and I will help you, consult you free what goggle or what optic option is the best meets your needs. So thanks everyone.